In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete LinkedIn posts anonymously. Whether you're revisiting a post that doesn't quite reflect your current thoughts or simply tidying up your profile, knowing how to remove posts is a handy skill. Let's dive into the steps to do this seamlessly. First, you'll want to pinpoint the post you wish to delete, and there are a couple of ways to do this. You can head directly to your LinkedIn profile, where all your posts are conveniently displayed. Alternatively, if the post is recent, it might still be visible in your feed. Take your time scrolling through until you spot the post in question. Remember, locating the exact post is key, as LinkedIn doesn't currently allow batch deletions. Once you've found the post, the next step involves accessing the options menu for it. This may sound more complicated than it is. Simply look towards the top right corner of the post, where you'll find 3 small dots. Think of these dots as the gateway to your post's options. Give them a click, and a drop-down menu will reveal itself. Simple, right? From this menu, you'll want to find and select the Delete option. Now, this is where the magic happens. Clicking Delete doesn't automatically remove the post, though. Instead, it prompts LinkedIn to ask if you're absolutely sure about your decision. This is a thoughtful pause, ensuring you really mean it before taking any irreversible actions. After all, once a post is deleted, it's gone for good. So, take a moment here. If you're certain about cleaning up and want that post to vanish from your digital footprint, go ahead and confirm your choice. Once you've hit confirm, the post will be permanently removed from both your profile and the feed. There you have it. Your outdated or unwanted post has disappeared, leaving your profile looking just a bit tidier. It's important to note that this process is completely anonymous. No notifications are sent out to your connections when you delete a post. You're in control of how your profile represents you. And sometimes small changes like these can make all the difference in aligning with how you wish to present yourself professionally. So now you know not only how to delete a LinkedIn post, but also how to do it with confidence and discretion. Whether it's part of a wider digital cleanse or just some quick profile maintenance, this straightforward process ensures you're always showcasing the most relevant aspects of your professional journey. I hope you found this guide helpful, and feel free to revisit these steps anytime you need a digital refresh. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.